Sorry for this random intro, guys. I'm in a hurry, and I have to get this video out for you guys this week, so yeah, we're in a little bit of a hurry. So let me just go ahead and quickly explain this. Beautiful. Not sure if that light is any better, but what's up, guys? Airsoft Wolfie here. Sorry for the random intro. You guys can already see in the bottom left corner. If you just want to go straight to the gameplay, go. But if you want a chance to win airsoft guns or future references to my YouTube channel, stay tuned. A lot of you guys have actually been saying, I'll put it right here, a lot of you guys have actually been saying you wanted longer videos, so I will be working on longer videos. Just a little update I wanted to let you guys know. And we are coming very, very, very close to 50,000 subscribers. It's amazing. For my 50,000 subscribers, you know, I wanted to do a giveaway, so I'm going to be doing a giveaway. It's going to be kind of stock when I give it away. That's the only hint I'm giving, but it's like something everybody is out there for, if that makes sense. So if you are interested in being in a future giveaway, because we are coming close to 50,000 subscribers, I think I'm gaining 160, 180 subs every day. That being said, in order to actually join my 50,000 subscriber giveaway, you guys must do two things real quick. Number one is press subscribe down below. And number two is to click that bell and push all notifications on. Now, when you have that on, you also have to double check. Most of you guys probably don't have to do this. Double check your iPhone, Android, Samsung, all your settings, and make sure YouTube is actually giving your phone notifications. You might have notifications on for me, but in case you were not getting the notifications, which I have a lot of people messaging me about, you need to make sure that your YouTube is not blocked through notifications to your actual phone, and that's the YouTube app, and you would find that through your settings. Keep in mind that this bell notification is to give you all of my notifications. This is not just for videos, it's community posts, shorts, and everything. If you guys want to know about the giveaway, there's also a chance that you guys can check my Instagram on the screen right now. Check there, and you guys will be updated about stuff I just don't say on YouTube channels. That being said, I am in a huge hurry, and I'm sorry for taking the time. If you sat here and watched this, good for you. You now know about the giveaway coming up at 50K subs. Make sure, again, do everything I just said, and we're good. I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy this one. It's a long one.
Hey guys, Wolfie here. With how much I play here, I already assume if you are a regular, you could tell where I'm playing at, and it's Nashville Airsoft once more. Now this video is consistent of a bunch of footage in a 2-week span that I've just been sitting on and editing for a while to give you guys a good gameplay. I'll be running my 5.1 high kappa paired with tracers, and my Polar Star Jack also paired with tracers. Make sure you guys like the video. I made it a little longer like you guys suggested. Enjoy. Quick insight real quick. This game is a plant the bomb scenario, except instead of planting the bomb, we have to plant the ref, if that makes sense.
Can I arm the bomb?
Yep.
Is that all I have to do?
Yeah, stay right here.
Okay.
Blue team is arming the bomb. Red team is arming the bomb. 20 seconds.
Make...
10 seconds.
Got it.
Now the only issue with planting the bomb is I'm surrounded by enemies left to right, and I have to sit here for a solid 30 seconds in order to confirm the bomb.
Bomb is armed. Bomb is armed. Red team armed the bomb.
Am I good?
1 minute 30 seconds. Yep. Let it go, and it's a round. How about that? One minute until detonate.
Hit. What'd you say?
Pretty sure that was ricochet, but you already put your hand up. You got to go back.
Can you don't call ricochets?
Yeah, you don't call ricochet.
I'll keep that in mind next time.
Yep.
Round over.
the bomb and held it. Nice.
Next game was a team deathmatch. I was having some pistol issues, so this game didn't last very long.
I was on your team, but it's okay.
My bad, I didn't fucking know that was you. You were
No,
aiming
it's
at
fine.
us, so I was like,
I was aiming at them because they were across the wall, and I was already behind them. But it's okay, you're good.
call your hit!
Are you
Call
serious?
your hit!
I got it all on scope cam. I'm recording this shit. No, there's no way.
Somebody not calling your hit?
Yes, camo guy, full camo helmet, everything.
You guys remember the homosexual? I hit both of them like 5 times. Oh no. Well, you got that all on me,
I know, I literally got a scope cam.
Oh, sick. Are you a YouTuber?
Yes,
Nice, man. How many subscribers do you have?
50,000.
Holy shit. What's
Okay.
your YouTube?
Airsoft Wolfie.
Bro, I literally watch you on YouTube.
For
Oh my
real?
God. I'm subscribed.
Thank you so much, bro. Check the window, check the window, check the window. You good?
Good, quick. This car.
Hey, window. Reloading. Trust me. He's hit, okay.
And that ends today's video. I still have more footage to post, so that will be released soon as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Wolfie, signing off. See ya.
Goddamn, little bitch on that coat, like Montana. I'm on hygiene codeine, I'ma float like a fountain. Baby, need some protein, work out like a